Managing communication in different project phases. Communication needs and strategies differ across project phases. Understanding these needs helps in tailoring communication strategies to each phase. 1. Initiation. Focus on high-level information to secure stakeholder buy-in. That is, presenting the project charter to stakeholders to outline objectives and gain approval. 2. Planning. Detailed communication about plans, schedules, and roles. In other words, developing and sharing a detailed project plan with timelines and resource allocations. 3. Execution. Regular updates on progress, issues, and changes. For example, setting up weekly status meetings to track progress and address any issues that arise. 4. Monitoring. Reporting on performance metrics and making adjustments. For instance, providing performance reports and making necessary adjustments to the project plan based on the data. 5. Closing, final reports, lessons learned, and project handover. For instance, conducting a project closure meeting to review what was accomplished and documenting lessons learned. Monitoring and controlling communication. Monitoring communication involves regularly checking the effectiveness of communication strategies and making necessary adjustments. This can be done using the following methods. Monitoring and controlling communication. Monitoring communication involves regularly checking the effectiveness of communication strategies and making necessary adjustments. This can be done using the following methods. Communication plan adherence. Ensure that the project team follows the communication plan established at the project's outset. Regularly review communication channels and methods to confirm they are being utilized as planned. Feedback mechanisms. Implement feedback loops to gauge the effectiveness of communication. Collect and analyze feedback from stakeholders to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Performance metrics. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of communication efforts. Track metrics such as message delivery time, response rates, and stakeholder satisfaction. 4. Regular meetings. Conduct regular status meetings to discuss progress, address concerns, and ensure alignment. Use these meetings to verify that information is flowing correctly and reaching all relevant parties. 5. Documentation and audits. Maintain thorough records of all communications for future reference and accountability. Periodically audit communication practices to ensure compliance with the communication plan and project requirements. Controlling communication. Controlling communication ensures that the right information reaches the right people, preventing miscommunication and information overload. This can be achieved through 1. Adjust communication strategies. Adapt communication methods and strategies based on feedback and performance metrics. Address any gaps or issues in communication promptly to maintain clarity and efficiency. 2. Manage stakeholder expectations. Clearly define and manage stakeholder expectations regarding communication frequency and content. Ensure that stakeholders are kept informed and that their input is acknowledged and addressed. 3. Conflict resolution. Identify and address any communication-related conflicts swiftly to prevent escalation. Implement conflict resolution techniques to maintain a collaborative environment. 4. Change management. Communicate any changes to the project plan, scope, or objectives clearly and promptly. Ensure that all stakeholders are aware of changes and understand their impact on the project. 5. Risk management. Identify potential communication risks and develop mitigation strategies. Regularly review and update risk management plans to address emerging communication challenges.